Hello, fellow travelers, and welcome back to Travel Facts, the channel that explores the wonders of our world. I'm your guide on this journey, and today, we're venturing into the captivating region of Cappadocia, Turkey. From fairy chimneys to ancient underground cities, we're about to unravel the secrets and stories that make Cappadocia truly extraordinary. If you're ready to embark on this adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of explorers. I'm excited to share these travel facts with you, so let's dive into the enchanting landscapes of Cappadocia. 1. Geological wonders. Cappadocia's most iconic features are the fairy chimneys, which are tall, cone-shaped rock formations created by centuries of erosion on the soft volcanic rock. These unique structures are scattered across the region, creating an otherworldly and magical landscape. 2. Hot air balloon rides. Cappadocia is renowned for its hot air balloon rides, providing visitors with an unforgettable experience as they soar above the fairy chimneys and enjoy panoramic views of the Cappadocian landscape, especially during sunrise. 3. Underground cities. The region is home to several ancient underground cities, such as Derinkuyu and Kaymakli, carved into the soft, tough rock. These subterranean cities served as shelters during times of invasions, providing inhabitants with protection and hiding places. 4. Cave dwellings and rock-cut churches. Cappadocia is dotted with cave dwellings and rock-cut churches, particularly in areas like Gorim. The Gorim Open-Air Museum showcases a collection of churches with intricately frescoed interiors, providing insights into the region's rich Byzantine history. 5. Gorim National Park and the rock sites of Cappadocia. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Gorim National Park and the rock sites of Cappadocia preserve the unique cultural and natural heritage of the region. The park encompasses the fairy chimneys, rock-cut churches, and historical sites. 6. Cappadocian cuisine. The region boasts a delicious culinary heritage. Visitors can savor traditional Turkish dishes with a Cappadocian twist, including pottery kebabs, manti, Turkish dumplings, and local wines. The unique landscape has also influenced the cuisine, with ingredients sourced from the fertile volcanic soil. 7. Hiking and trekking trails. Cappadocia offers numerous hiking and trekking trails, allowing visitors to explore its stunning landscapes on foot. The Rose Valley, Love Valley, and Pigeon Valley are popular routes, offering opportunities to discover hidden caves, rock formations, and panoramic viewpoints. 8. Handcrafted pottery. Avanos, a town in Cappadocia, is famous for its pottery. Visitors can watch skilled artisans create intricate pottery using traditional techniques, often incorporating unique designs inspired by the local landscape. 9. Festivals and events. Cappadocia hosts various festivals and events throughout the year, celebrating local traditions, music, and arts. The International Cappadocia Music Festival and the Ergab Grape Harvest Festival are among the notable cultural events. 10. Carpet weaving and textiles. The region is known for its vibrant textiles, including hand-woven carpets and kilims. Visitors have the opportunity to observe the art of carpet weaving in local workshops and purchase unique, handmade souvenirs. As we wrap up our journey through the mystical landscapes of Cappadocia, I hope you enjoyed uncovering the hidden gems and fascinating facts with Travel Facts. If you found this exploration as captivating as I did, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and, of course, subscribe for more immersive travel experiences. Until our next adventure, fellow wanderers, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the incredible diversity our world has to offer. Safe travels, and see you in the next episode of Travel Facts.